So, you have decided to learn React. Congratulations. Hello, guys, welcome to the brand new series of React for beginners. I'm your host, MJ, and I have the experience in freelancing for website development. The current version of React I will use is 18.3.1. So, let's get started. In this video, we will talk about why React is important, what is React, and what we are going to explain in our future videos. If you search about the survey of developers, you can easily find out it's popular throughout the community and its most wanted skill in the company out there because of its performance and scalability. If you have React in your resume, you will get a front-end developer job easily. In the beginning, be thinking about what is React. React is open source JavaScript library for building user interfaces. There are two key points we have to save in our mind. That is, React is a JavaScript library. It's not a framework like Django, ASP.NET or Spring Boot. It's library, and the library is focusing on our second key point, which is building user interface. I think now you got the point that React is only responsible for building the best interfaces. Let us see the architecture. The architecture used in React is component based. This architecture basically divides our application into smaller parts, which can be combined to make more complex UIs. For example, a website can be divided into header, footer, main content, and sidebar. These parts are different components, and they can be easily combined to make whole website. The components are also reusable. If you are using React, then don't worry about the integration part. For them who don't know about the integration, if you have backend created in ASP.NET or Python or Node.js, you can easily connect with front-end of React. React is also used in mobile application with React Native, on desktop app with Electron. So let's discuss about our future plan. Firstly, we will go through the fundamentals, then HTTP. After that, routing, following with the state management, and some of the useful libraries that we are using throughout the session for React, and finally, some projects of React. In the next video, I'll tell you about installing VS Code, React, and to make a Hello World application. If you are watching later, the versions might be changed, but don't worry, our content will be valid. Only if there any major change, I'll make pin comment on that video or I'll make a video about that update. I assure you that by the end of this series, you will be an expert in building web applications. So, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to the channel and make sure to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you.